Hi there, it's me again. I'm Tufail Yusuf and welcome back to my channel Talented Coder. So today we are going to learn how to make a quiz game in JS. Making a quiz game in JS. So first, create a new folder. Name it as quiz game. Right? And now open it in your text editor. That means also known as code editor. So over here we click on file, open folder, and that folder is the quiz game, right? Quiz game. There we go. Select folder. Okay, wait until it's open. Okay, my one's open. Create a new file. Name it as index.html and basic template. And over here we put it as quiz game, right? Quiz game. And over here we are going to type as h1 quiz game. Over here we are not going to type quiz game, we are going to type as, can you guess? Sorry, quiz game. Now this is going to be a console quiz game. That means you have to play with it in the developer tools. So over here we are going to script source. We are going to link our index.js file that we'll make in a while, right? Index.js. Okay, and now we have to open it in the live server. The shortcut key is Alt O. Okay, and now we'll open the developer console, inspect the console. Okay, and now over in the index.js file we are going to create a new function that will do all this. So we are going to add a event listener too. So first we'll do the list one. First we'll make the quiz. So first one will be constant quiz equals to function. Okay, and this function we are going to open it, and now over here we are going to add as we are going to add it as so what we are going to do is constant 1 equals to what is, not the 1, quiz 1, right? Question 1. So what is the best programming language? Actually Python has the lead, but JavaScript is behind it, so I prefer JavaScript is the best. So in this as well as in this I set it as JavaScript, right? And over here constant options, right? Option 1 equals to C #sharp. You might have heard of it, no? So you better search of it right now. And option 2 equals to, option 2 is Python. Actually it's Python in Asia, but in US they call it Python. So option 3, which is the correct answer, is JS or JavaScript, right? And constant correct equals to op3. That's all. Right, now we have it done. So now what we are going to do is we are going to create a event listener. So document dot body dot add event listener, and that event listener will be key press, key not key down, it's key press. Wait, let me do it again. Here we go, key press, yeah, correct, key press. And over here we are going to put the function, right, and the function we are going to put the e and open it. And over here what we are going to do is I just minimize this. Okay, and in the e what we are going to do is if e dot key equals to what is the key? The name is as 3, right? cl console.log, correcto, correct, just give it a correcto. Okay, so and we are going to also put as else cl try again, right? And here we are going to add another one, right? That's all, and it's enough. And over here if these 3 we have to first show these 3, right? So we don't need this correct one. And now what we are going to do, cl quest 1, and after that quest 1, and after that new line, and over here op1 and new line op2 and a new and a new line op3, right? And here we don't get any problem, but here we do. Constant orbital Python expected. Into Python. Yeah. Expected. I don't really. Okay, as it says, yeah. Okay, correct. So we just need to put comma for the new line. Okay, let's check it out. Tags. I see. So we'll just remove this last one. Okay. Oh, I see. There's nothing called a new line. Please. Okay, we just put it like that. Sudo. Okay, and oh, I forgot we had to call that quiz. What is the best programming language? Oh, sorry. In the world. here we are going to paste them. Let's check it out. Yeah, good. And also don't forget to put 1, and over here 2, and over here 3. There we go. Okay, and also some space. No need over here. Okay. So, what is the best programming language in the world? I think it's C#. 1. Try again. Okay, then at least Python. Try again. And 3. JavaScript. Correct. Wow. Again, we'll check it out again. What is the best programming language in the world? 1. No. 2. No. 3. Wow. Again 3. Correct. Wow. Nice, right? So, see you all guys later. Please like and subscribe. The ones who subscribed, please comment on my channel. I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Please subscribe and comment on my channel. And also don't forget like.